Alliant Credit Union. Okay. Now, again, with Alliant Credit Union, another one of these credit unions is very easy to join. All right. Now, with Alliant, again, this is going to be your TransUnion Vantage 4. All right. It's your TransUnion Vantage 4. Now, you can join the foster care for success in order to become a member with them. All right. But they definitely, as you can see here, from 1,000 up to 100,000. All right. This is another one of those low hanging fruit because it's a Vantage 4. Now, for some of you all, I may have thrown you off because you don't hear that term that much. Well, Vantage 4 is it's an upgrade to your Vantage 3. So that means like where your Vantage 3, if you owed $100 or less collections, it will count it against you. Well, with your Vantage 4, if you owe $100 or less on a collection, it doesn't count it against you. If you have multiple hard inquiries on the file, say you were shopping for a car or you trying to get a home or something like that, they only count it as one inquiry. Okay. If you have an eviction or if you have medical um, bills on the credit file, then they don't count that against you with your Vantage 4. Okay? So that's the reason why like these are like your prizes. When you find a Vantage 4 or Experian or FICO 9 type of scoring system, those are your prize winners that you want to focus on. All right?